Today is Saturday, the 22nd of February, 2020, and I'm back in the Twinkie. It is 60 degrees in here. Don't know if that's showing up, and it is about 11:25. So I'm going to kind of tinker around with things today. Not too sure what I want to do yet. Got the baseboards here. But I'm thinking I might do some cleanup. Get some stuff out of the way before I do the baseboards. I also have to get those cabinet doors back up. The hinges are frozen. So hit those with some more PV Blaster and see if I can get those hinges working again. Get this stuff out of the bathroom. It's just a mirror, 2 ladders, and a cot. So, but yeah, I think I'm done with the fiberglass, done with the flooring. So I just need to put them somewhere. Okay, I get to work and tinker around. Good news is my telescoping ladder fits in the garage. That's pretty cool. A few other things in here, paint supplies and such, that I'll eventually get rid of. And yes, this is the garage area of the RV. You will hear sirens in my videos because we're becoming very citified now. It sucks. Oh, this is pretty cool. Vintage. And vintage. I am working on the little things today just to get some stuff out of the way. Put my drawers back in the bathroom, got the ladders out of here. Still have my mirror to put up on the wall. Still have to fix the plumbing under the sink. Next I'm going to, save that for later. Next I'm going to put the rollers on this drawer. Get the shelf paper in it. And get it back under here where it belongs. And here is the bottom mount slide set. So let's hope that it'll fit into the old track and that I won't have to try to install the bottom one too. I'm trying to cheat. I'm just messing around today. Decided I'd organize a little bit before I continue on with my construction. I was gifted these little IKEA utility things, spoons and such. So I went ahead and put it up. I decided not to put the tile in the kitchen that I had previously bought for it. I'm going to use it in the bathroom. And I'll show you that later. And I also have one of these paper towel holders. Can't really see it very well. Here, I'll take the paper towels off. There you go. I have one of these paper towel holders. Bought it at Walmart. And it keeps your paper towels from spinning and unfurling and such. I have one in my motor home and I really like it. So I put one in here too. So there we go. I have a place for my paper towels instead of laying them on the countertop. And a place for incidentals here. I'm not going to show you the rest of the kitchen yet because I'm getting it prepped. It's going to be a surprise. And this is the box for the paper towel holder. I bought this at Walmart. I bought it like a year or so ago for the Silver Streak. And I just finally got it up. Awesome paper towel holder. I don't know how much I paid for it. Less than 20, I think. And yes, I've got my clutter down quite a bit. I throw that box away. I'm done with it now. And I'm going to start on some of these containers that I have over here. Some of them are full of beads. And I decided I may as well just take this top off and stick the beads down there underneath it. Just to store them. Because I do jewelry making. And my neighbor left those for me also. And there's a bunch of them.